Want a clean and smooth way to organize your website's menu? Check out the Mini Hamburger Menu widget from WDesignKit. It gives your site a neat, modern look while making navigation easy for users. You can set it up in no time and customize it just the way you like. It works seamlessly with Elementor and is perfect for making your site look great and easy to use. Let's see how it works. Alright, before we start, just make sure Elementor Free is installed and activated. Then head over to Add Plugin, search for WDesignKit, and as soon as it appears, click Install and then Activate. Then from here, we'll head into the WDesignKit dashboard, and at the top, you'll notice the Widgets option. Just click on that and open Browse Widgets. Now, right here, you can see here Mini Hamburger Menu. Simply download it. Set. Once that's done, now it's time when we move straight into the Elementor editor. Alright, now once you're in, let me tell you that if you want to build everything from scratch, just click the plus icon, search for Mini Hamburger Menu and drag it into the page. That's it. At the moment, you'll notice it looks pretty basic, and that's completely fine. This is the default layout, which you can design by yourself according to your site. However, if you don't want to do all the designing yourself, there are also pre-designed templates available that you can apply instantly and then customize further, which will save you a lot of time. You'll find the link to this page in the description. So, instead of building the layout manually, you can preview these and pick the one you like. For this video, say, I want to use this pre-built template. If you want the same, simply copy the layout using this copy button. Then get back to your page, add a new container here, then paste it using the plus paste option. One small thing to note, for this plus paste option to get visible here, make sure the plus add-ons for Elementor Free is installed and activated on your site. Then, inside its extension section, this cross-domain copy-paste toggle needs to be enabled. And that's it. Thorough it. In just a few minutes, the widget is already in place and looking clean in the design. So, now let's move ahead and see how we can customize it. Alright, as you can see, I've selected the Mini Hamburger Menu. Then, from here, let's move into the Content tab. First, let's talk about the Layout section where you can customize the menu and icon styles. For example, I've updated the icon style here, but I'm keeping the default style as it looks nice. Head over to the menu bar section and add text for both the open and close menu icons. Without text in the close menu, the open one won't show. If it doesn't show your text, it's likely because the default text color is white. Simply go to the Style tab, change the text color to black, and watch it update instantly. Alright, let's head over to the Content section. Here, you'll see all your menu items listed. Let's start with the first item. I'm changing it to About Us to give you an idea. You can easily update the text and add your link to the respective page. I'm not linking it right now, but make sure you do. Want more items? Just copy one, and if something's not needed, remove it. For example, I'm adding a team item here, but feel free to customize it however you like. Now, let's move to the button section. There isn't a button in the menu yet, so I've added one called Get in Touch. You can add an icon next to the text by selecting one from the icon library or uploading your own SVG. I'm using an icon from the library here. Also, don't forget to add a link so users can easily reach out. Alright, let's talk about the socialist section. If your menu is missing social links, it's incomplete. Instagram is the first item here, and you can change its icon from the icon library if you prefer. Then, just add the page URL. To add more social media, click Add Item. For example, I'm adding the Reddit icon here. You can also remove any items you don't need. That's it for this tab. Next, the Style tab, where you can personalize your menu items' look. If you want to increase the button gap, adjust the padding, or explore typography options like changing the font, you have full flexibility to make those changes here. Similarly, you can customize each section according to your preferences. I'm not going into every detail right now, but based on your menu, you can customize everything as needed. Now, moving on to the Advanced tab, this is where you get a bit more control beyond styling. Most options here will feel familiar, but Transform is the interesting one. By applying transform effects like offset, scale, skew, flip horizontal, and flip vertical, you can move, resize, and flip elements to create a more dynamic and engaging design. Below that, background and responsive help fine-tune how everything looks across screens. Overall, this section is just for adding that final polish. And that's it. Your mini hamburger menu is good to go. Now, just personalize the items, add your links, and adjust the design to fit your site. Try it on your homepage or in the sidebar. It gives your site that sleek, interactive feel. Want to see more tutorials like this? Drop a comment on what you'd like to build next.